Pop, Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley here. Today, I'm going to give you a real quick tutorial on what not to do with a table saw. It hurts. Now, the other day, I was doing a video, which I will continue eventually, on how to make your end pieces for your frames for your beehives, okay? This is my pattern. Here's one of the old ones, how it is supposed to look when you finish with it. Okay, that's good. Now, I was outside the shed working, and I was cutting my blanks out of 2x4s. My blanks are this. See? When you finish, you'll have this. Okay. I set my saw up. The blade's right at the top. I brought it in. That's how I get my distance on that cut. Okay. Now, I had a push stick, what's left of it. Okay. Now, as I'm pushing with the stick, I also, in my left hand, which I'm holding the phone right now, I push against it. I'm sorry, I push down where it don't fly up. Where it don't fly up. In the process of pushing, somehow that push stick slipped and hit that. And friend, these saws are tremendously strong. It threw this stick about 60 feet across the yard and ripped a hunk out of the side of my hand that got my attention. My IQ went up so fast it wasn't even funny. I was not wearing my gloves. Wearing my gloves, it would have hurt, but I don't think it would have did this much, and you're about this much damage. Like and subscribe.